Good morning, everyone. Okay, shall we start today's session? In the last session, we discussed about arrays, right? In that, we discussed about what is the purpose of array, and next types of array, and how to declare the array, how to initialize the array, how to create the array. So these are the things we discussed in the last session. So in the last session, arrays topic, we discussed about the arrays topic. Okay, fine. So today let us start with. Okay, fine. So today let us start with strings. Strings is very important topic. Okay, so what does it mean by string? So generally, you know already primitive types of primitive data types, right? So in the non-primitive data types category, non-primitive data type category, we have the non-primitive data type category. We have, so already we done the discussion which is about arrays. We done the discussion about arrays, and after that now we are discussing about the strings, and we have the class, and next we have the collection. Okay, so in the non-primitive data types, so generally these are the non-primitive data types, meaning they can hold the multiple values. In the last session we discussed about the arrays, so today we'll start with our session with the strings. Our session will start with the strings. Okay, fine. So generally, so the first point is strings is belong to non-primitive data type. This non-primitive data types also called as a referenced. A non-primitive data types also called as a referenced. Okay, referenced data types. Referenced data types. Okay, so that is the first point, right? I can mention strings is referenced data types. Okay, the first point is generally strings is the referenced data types. Strings is a referenced data type. A referenced data type. Okay, strings is a referenced data type. Next point is string is predefined class actually. Okay, string is predefined class, which is available in java.lang package, java.lang package, java.lang package. So I shared you with you some document, right? So there itself you can check predefined classes and predefined interfaces, and what is the purpose of each classes, and how many methods are available in each class. So if you go to that document, you can get the very clear information available in that document. So similarly, string is also predefined class which is available in java.util package. Java.util package. What is the purpose of the string? So generally, if I want to store the characters, how can I we have the char data type, and we can mention the name, and here you can it should be the single quotation, and within the single quotation you can store only single character only, right? So with the help of this one, we can store only single character. Right? Only single character. But I want to store the multiple characters. If I want to store the multiple characters, how could I store? String. So with the help of string, so we can declare with the string, and now we can mention a variable name, and then now we can mention, so which is generally we can store group of characters. We can store group of characters. We can store group of characters. Okay. So the thing is, the purpose of string is, string we can use data, we can use as the reference data type, a referenced data type, a reference data type. Okay, a referenced data type. Okay, string we can use as the reference data type. The purpose of string which is used to store the group of characters, store the group of characters, group of characters. Is there any example for the string? Yes, we have the string example. This is the example. So I'm mentioning this one. This is as the example. I can mention with this is as the example. Okay, are you guys, I hope these points are clear. String is the reference data type. String is the predefined class which is available in java.lang package. And string we can use as the reference data type. String which is used to store the group of characters. I told you this is the predefined class, right? So where you can check the predefined class, simply you can go to your document. You can go with your document. So here you can look for java sc8 document. Open the document, and now if you see here, these all are the packages, all are the packages. So if you scroll up and down, then you can get these many packages, right? So among those, we are discussing about the string class. Where exactly string class is available, which is available in java.lang package. So simply click on that. If I click on that java.lang package, so it is showing again java.lang package, and these all are the interfaces. And if you scroll up, now if you see here, these many all are the classes, right? Now can come here, string is the predefined class. Okay, if I click on that, you know, this is the purpose of string. And if I scroll up, these many predefined methods are available: caret, code pointer, and concatenating, contains method, contains equals method. So these all are the predefined methods are available. Predefined methods are available. Okay. So the thing is, string is the predefined class, and the purpose of string is which is used to store the group of characters. Group of characters. String is also one reference data type. String is also one reference data type. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now next point is string is immutable. String is immutable. Already you know what does it mean by immutable. Immutable meaning we cannot change the value. We cannot change the value. Immutable, I can say string is immutable. Immutable meaning we cannot change the values. For example, if you see here, data type is the string, variable name is the I declare with the name. I given the name is name. So the value, whatever the value it is, I am passing to this variable. This value cannot change. So for example, like everybody nowadays, we are using WhatsApp and everything, right? So like we are sending the message to another person, like some hello, and that person also given to response to us like hi again. So you are sending, and that person also giving to us. The messages is going from here to there in the format of string only. In the format of string only. That is string data. Nobody cannot modify. Nobody cannot manipulate. Okay, nobody cannot manipulate that string data. Okay, okay, fine. So okay, string is the immutable, and after that string we can create a string in two ways. Okay, we can create string in two ways. String in two ways. We can create string in two ways. What are the two ways? First, we can create, first one is the literal approach and second one is the new operator approach. First one is literal approach. First one is literal approach and the second one is by using new operator. By using new operator. By using new operator. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So we'll go with one by one. So first approach, how you will create the string generally. That is approach number one. This approach number one is called literal approach. Literal approach. Okay, this is literal string literal. This is also called as string literal. Okay, so generally how you will create the string in this case. So normally you can take the string name, string and str variable name, and you can pass the group of characters. Okay, you can pass the group of characters group of characters. Are you guys clear with my point? So generally what I'm saying is, if you write the string like this is literal approach. This is literal approach. Okay, and we have the second approach, that is by creating a new operator. New operator approach number two. So which is by using new operator, which is by using the new operator. Okay, so generally how it should be, already you know guys, right? Like what is the purpose of new operator? New is the operator which is used to create the objects. Okay, very good. So here also we are creating the string by using the new operator. So normally how you will create the object? If you have the class name, you can create the object by using the class name. But in case string is also a class name only, right? So I am creating a string object and inside I am passing the string hello. Hello. Then what does it mean? So object, this is the second way to create the string. Okay, again I am storing this one into one a reference variable, and this reference variable data type is the string. This reference variable data type is the string. This reference variable data type is the string. So are you guys clear with my point? We can create the string in two ways. One is the literal approach, that is the normal approach. So directly can assign the value with the specific variable. And we have the second approach, that is by using the new operator. Already you guys know, we learned already about the new operator. New is the operator which is used to create the objects. So here also I am creating the object. In that I am passing the string value. This is the string value, right? This is the string value. In that I am passing the string value. In that I am passing the string value. Okay, so here you have to remember, the point is string constant pool area. String constant pool memory. So how the JVM will treat in case of JVM? So already, so every topic we will discuss with memory management also. For example, in the last session, what we discussed about the arrays. In that, in that arrays, so generally the how the memory management it is it was taking in case of arrays, it will be treated as the object and it is allocating the memory in the array, heap memory only, right? So similarly, let us today will talk how the JVM will give the memory to the string values. How the JVM will give to the string values. Okay, I will take the MS Paint and through that I can explain. You can get the better understanding. Okay, so I will take MS Paint. Generally, what will happen in case of lateral approach and it will what? Once again, guys, I'm keeping chart. Okay, first let us discuss with string literal, how you will create the string literal generally. So first approach is approach number one. Approach number one is approach number one is string literal. String literal. So in this case, how you create the object? Normally, directly you can create the object like this. So string is the predefined class, and str is the variable name, and we are passing some value into that. Meaning string is nothing but a group of characters, right? So this is the a group of characters. Okay, very good. So group of characters, I took the group of characters, and these values I am assigning to the variable. The variable name is str. Okay, this is the variable name. This is variable name. Okay, fine, very good. And every variable should have the data type, right? So this is the data type. This data type is the non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data type. Okay, non-primitive data type, and which can hold the multiple values, and this is the class name. So that is the reason I defined with string. That is the reason I am defined with string. Okay, if how the JVM will give the memory for this one, how the JVM will give the memory in case of string literal. Okay, so generally how the, you know already JVM architecture, right? So JVM architecture is very very important. So in that, you know already the memory, how it we have the memory sections, right? The memory sections, in that we have the memory sections. So here we have the class loader. After that we have the memory sections. So among those, I would like to take, so total we have the 5 memory sections, right? So here method area and heap memory, Java stack, native stack, and PC register and PC register. So it should be like this. Now we'll go with, this is heap memory, right? This one is the heap memory. This is the heap memory. Heap memory. Okay. So I'm taking heap memory. So what will happen in case of uh, strings will be stored in the constant pool area. Constant pool area. Constant pool area is the memory, special memory, which is available in the heap memory only itself. Which is available in the heap memory only. Are you guys clear with my point? So Java, I would say, it will be treated as a very special person. Okay, so string, it will be treated as the very special person, and it will give the memory in the constant pool area. Where the constant pool area is available, constant pool area is available in the heap memory only. Constant pool area is available in the heap memory only. So I am mentioning with SCP. SCP meaning string constant pool area. Okay, this is the string, right? This will be stored in the SCP. This will be stored in the SCP. For example, I am mentioning with string, right? So I am mentioning such. This will be stored in the string SCP, constant pool area, and the reference point is str. The reference variable name is the str. So are you guys clear with my point of what I am saying? So generally, it will be treated as a very special person in Java. So that is the reason it allocate the special memory. It allocate the special memory in the JVM will allocate very special memory to the strings. Okay, where does the strings will be stored? The strings will be stored in the string constant pool area. Okay, so this is the with respect to literal approach. I hope you guys clear with how to create and how the JVM will treat in case of string literal approach. Okay, and the second approach is by using new operator. So how to create the object by using the new operator? This is approach number two. Approach number two. Okay. So this is with respect to new operator. New operator. Okay. So how here it will be generally. Normally, I will write the syntax of it like it should be generally string is the class name and str2 is the variable name. The variable name already you know how to give the naming conventions and all. And new operator and string is the class name and inside I am passing the message that is the hello. That is the hello. I am passing like this. This is the second approach, right? So how the JVM will treat in case of second approach? So in case of second approach, how the this is you can assume this is the heap memory. This the entire box is the heap memory. Okay, so here there is no space, right? That is the reason I'm taking one more box, and you can assume this is the heap memory. You guys can assume this is heap memory. Okay, this is heap memory. Okay, fine, very good. Now, how the JVM will treat in case of heap memory? Okay, so the hello, what I told you memory, I would say strings will be stored in the SCP only. So this thing will be stored in the SCP. Okay, so this will be stored in this is the SCP. The entire container is the heap memory, and in that we have the again the memory that is the SCP. That is SCP. SCP. Okay, and new is the operator, right? That object will be created here. Okay, the object, so here it contain the value that is the hello. Hello is the string, and here we have created the object that is the string object. So this is string object, also this is the object. This is the string object. This is the string object, and this string object uh, reference variable name is the str2. A reference variable name is the str2. Reference variable name is the str2. So this is the memory management. Okay, the string value, the value will be stored in the string constant pool area, and object will be stored in heap memory, and object will be stored in the heap memory, and this is the reference variable. This is the reference variable. This is the reference variable. So here one more point you can remember. One more point you can remember. Generally, what will happen? For example, you guys can observe what I am doing here. Now str is holding the I would say the content is such, the value is such. Now what I will do, I will take string, I will take one more str2 variable, and I am passing the same value. I am passing the same value. So here, so already with that content, the JVM already created one. It has given the memory already for that string. So if you are trying to store the same value, then the JVM what it will do? What it will do? So it won't create one more string. So it will provide the string reference variable. Meaning, so Surge is having the same content, and str is the this reference variable, and str2 is the this reference variable name. Str2 is the that reference variable name. Okay, so that is the points you have to remember. So I will write you what does it mean by string pool area, string constant pool memory, string constant pool memory. Okay, so generally, so the first one is so string constant pool area, SCP. This is called SCP is a special memory. Special memory in JVM. Special memory in JVM to store the string. To store the string object. To store the string objects. To store the string object. Okay, fine. Next point is it will not allow us to create duplicate objects. Okay, it will not allow us to create duplicate objects. To create duplicate objects. Duplicate objects. So I will show you how the syntax we discussed, like a string s1 equal to, for example, I would like to mention hello, and same I would like to mention string s2 equal to, I would like to mention hello. I would like to mention hello. So in this scenario, you guys can observe this is the duplicate object, right? So already it is available in the SCP. So if I try to store the same objects, so what it will happen? It won't create new strings. It it will provide the new reference variable names. It will provide new reference variable names. New reference variable names. So the thing is, now I will right? So generally, if you see here, S1 and S2 objects are having the same content. S1 and S2 having the same content. Hence, one object will be created. So hence, I can mention one object will be created. One object will be created, and two variables will be pointed to the same object. And two variables, two variables will be pointed two variables will be pointed to the same object. Two variables will be pointed to the same object. To the same object. Okay. To the same object. So this is the thing how to understand. This is the thing how to understand. Okay. So after that, now you guys get the clarity. What does it mean by string, and how many ways you can create the string. String we can create in normal approach in two ways. That is the normal approach. That is the second one is the new operator approach. New operator approach. So how the JVM will assign the memory. If you go with the string normal approach, then the value, okay, this object will be stored in the SCP, string constant pool area. And if you go with the like when you try to store the duplicate string objects, then it won't allow the duplicate values, and it will provide the reference variables. It will provide the reference variables. So the same point I told you here, S1 and S2 having the same content, hence the object will be created, and two variables will be pointed to the same object. Two variables will be pointed to the same object. Okay, this is the thing. And after that, I hope this is clear. Now, the string values, the next point is string manipulations. String manipulations. So you guys might be asked the questions. Sir, you told us string is a mutable. Then again you are saying string manipulation. So generally, string is the immutable, but we have the topic we learn about the variables and what is the purpose of variables which is used to hold the data. Okay, fine. And what does it mean by methods? Methods. So methods, coming days we will discuss about the methods. So the purpose of methods is the methods which are used to perform some actions. Perform some actions. Okay, the methods which are used to perform some actions. Okay, so in case of I would say normally string is the mutable, but string is the class which is having some predefined methods. With the help of predefined methods, we can manipulate the string data. We can manipulate the string data. So that is the thing we have to remember here. Okay. So we can manipulate the string. We can manipulate the string, manipulate manipulate the string objects by using, we can manipulate the string objects by using predefined methods. Predefined methods which is available in string class, which is available in string class string class. Are you guys clear with my point? So those are like those methods are like length method length method and we have the can cat method. And so what does it mean by length method generally? So length method is to get the size of the string. Okay, so the purpose of this one is to get size of string to get size of string, meaning, so here we can get the clarity of like number of characters available in the string, number of characters available in the string, number of characters is available in the. So length is the method which is used to find out the how many characters are available in the string. So generally how the syntax, so armor already like uh, for example, if I take some string is the data type, and here I would like to mention mm, some group of characters I am passing, and here if I mention l dot length l dot length. So generally if I mention like this, then how many characters is available? Total 5, right? So it will display, so the string is having 5. So I will write the program and then I will show you, you can get the clarity on it. So generally, okay, I'm taking as the class name, you can take anything. So like a demo strings or anything you can take. I'm taking is demo.java. Now I will open my demo.java. Okay, so already the basic skeleton is public class, the class name is the demo, and from here to here this is the scope of the uh, class, and main method, and string args, and this already the basic skeleton, right? Okay, fine. After that, string, we are doing the literal approach. Okay, approach number one, literal approach. Okay, so in that literal approach, so how you can string, and you can take str equal to I am passing some group of characters. This is the group of characters. I am assigning the group of characters into the str variable name. And now we are discussing about the length method. Length is the method which is used to find out the how many characters are available in the string. Okay, so str dot length length method. If I want to print how many characters are available in that, so for that purpose, simply what I will do, you can write in 2 lines. So 2 lines meaning again you can mention here uh, the length, or like that you can mention, or directly you can take the same statement in, you can take the print statement, and here inside you can mention with, now you can get the size of string. I will run that one and then I will show you. Okay, Java C and file name. Okay, Next you can run the file. Now you guys observe five. What is five characters? How many characters are available in that string? It is showing to us. It is showing to us. So number of characters available in the string. So now I hope you guys got the clarity about the length method. I hope you guys got the clarity about the length method. Okay. So now similarly we have the concat method. So concat method which is used to join two strings. Okay, which is used to join two strings. To join two strings. Very important topics guys. So joining two strings also called as appending. Very joining two strings also called as appending. Okay, so generally I will show you. I'm taking str1 equal to, I'm taking some search. Okay, search string I am taking, and here one more string I would like to take, like string str2 equal to, I would like to mention Bangalore. Bangalore. Okay, now I want to join. What my requirement is, I want to join two strings. Sarj is the one string, Bangalore is the one string. Okay, fine. I want to join. How could I join? We have the method, that is the concat method. With the help of concat method, we can join the two strings. We can join the two strings. So I will show you the programmatically. str1 is the one, I would say str1 is the one string, and I would like to create one more string, str2. Okay, str2 equal to, I am mentioning some Bangalore, okay, which is available in some Bangalore. Now, concat is the method. The purpose of concat method is to join two strings. Okay, I want to join two strings. How could I do? I'm doing str1 dot, we have the concat method. Concat method, and inside the concat method I am passing the this object as the parameter. Okay, this object as the parameter. Now I can save that one, and I can go to there, and I can compile my file. Now I can run my file, Java demo. Now you guys observe Saji Bangalore. So I'm doing the manipulations by using predefined methods. Okay, without predefined methods, string is a immutable. But we can manipulate the string values by using the predefined methods. So that is the reason. So we can, string manipulation is possible by using the predefined methods. So concatenate, length, these all are the predefined methods. We are doing the manipulations by using predefined methods. By using predefined methods. I hope you guys clear with this point. Next we have the caret method. Next we have the method that is caret method. Caret method generally, which is used to get a character based on the given index. To get a character based on the given index. Okay, so what is the normal syntax for it? So generally how you will take such string equal to some, I would like to mention some else, such. Okay, now what I will do, I will use the caret method based on the index position. For example, here I will mention like s1 s dot, like caret is the method. For example, if I mention some at the position 0, at the position 0, so generally it will also, all the characters also will be stored based on the index position only. S will be stored in the index position 0, U will be stored at the index position 1, G will be stored at the index position 2. So the all characters also will be stored based on the index positions only. Now I will go to my program, and our requirement is caret method. Now system.out.println, Here I will take the method name is char at method, and I'm mentioning 0. Okay. Now what is the answer? You will get the S as the output. We'll see. I will show you. You can go there, compile the file, and next run the file. Run the file. Now you are getting the S as the output. For example, if I change any other index position, this is a 0, 1, 2, 3. If I mention 3, I can save the file and I can run the file. Now you guys observe. Now you guys observe. I hope three methods are clear. I hope three methods are clear. Okay. So first method is the length method. Length method which is used to get the size to get the size of string, meaning number of characters are available in the string. Okay. Next we have the concat method. Concat method is the purpose of concat method is to join the two strings. Okay. That is also called as appending. And here I am taking one string object. Here I am taking one string object. I am joining two string object by using the concat method. Okay, next we have the caret method. Caret method which is used to get the character based on the given index. Okay, based on the given index, we can get the characters. Based on the given index, we can get the characters. Are you guys clear with my point? Next thing is, okay, next thing is, I would say we have the methods. Those are like a replace method. So replace method. So what is the purpose of replace method generally? So somebody is joining now. Okay. The purpose of replace method generally to compare content of two strings. Okay. The to compare to compare content of two strings. Content of two strings. Guys, only little difference we have. Okay, we have to understand the pulse of the topic. Okay, to compare content of two strings. Two strings. So generally here, for example, I am taking string s equal to. I would like to mention some such. Okay, and I declare this one, and in that again, what I will do, I will take the string. Now I would like to take s2 equal to. So here I will take any other one like AURG. So what it will do generally, so first it will come to the index position 0, 0. Okay, this is the index position 0 and it will check the index position 0. So first it will compare the content of two strings. Now you know S alphabetical order is the 19 and A alphabetical order is the 1. And this is equals method actually. Equals method, not replace method. So equals method which is used to compare the two strings, which is compared, which is equal to comparison between the two strings. Okay, so generally, now this I will show you here. Here I would like to take one more string, string str2 equal to. I would like to mention some h. Now here str2 equals to. equals, and here I would like to mention str2. Okay, now I can save this one. I will go to the compiler and then we'll see how it will return. We missed the semicolon, right? Okay, so generally what is it is doing generally, it is having the value is the search, and it is not having the same value, so it is comparing the two contents. Generally what I will saying, comparison the content. Okay, if the both is having the same content, then it will return the true. Okay, then it will return the true. But in this case, the two strings is not having the same, right? The content is not having the same, so that is the reason it is written in the false. For example, if I mention search only, now in this case it will return the true. In this case it will return the true. I will show you that one. Again I can go to the compiler, java c demo.java. Now it will return the true one. True one. Now it will return the true one. So here a very important question, and I would say in the interview perspective or anywhere you can go with. So they will ask what is the difference between, very important question, what is the difference between equal operator. We have the equal operator, right? We have the equal operator, and equal operator, and we have the next one is, somebody is trying to join. Okay, what is the difference between equal operator and equals method? Equals method. So this is the regular question they will ask, equals method. Okay. So in that case, so generally equals operator, what it will do generally, the purpose of equals operator, it will compare the address of the strings. Okay. So which is user to, normally I can take like this. Okay, equals. Okay, equals operator, which is user to, which is user to, which is user to, which will compare. Okay, which will compare address of the string objects. Compare address of the string objects. Address of string objects. Address of string object. But in case of a string method, which is user to, we have the method that is the equals method. Equals method. So the generally equals method, which is user to, which will compare. Okay, which will compare content of the object. Content of the object. Content of the object. So these are the very regular questions. If you attend the interview, they will ask the questions. What is the difference between the double equals operator and equals method? Okay, double equals operator, which is used to uh, compare the address of the string object. Compare the address of the string object. But in case of this one, in case of this one, which will compare the content of the object, which will compare the content of the object. Okay. So the next thing is, So I hope this is clear. And after that we have the method, that is the replace method. And the purpose of replace method is, the purpose of replace method is to replace the chars with another character, to replace the characters with another character, to replace the character with another characters. So this one I will show you generally. For example, if I take the string s1 equal to, I'm mentioning with some Bangalore, good Bangalore. I'm mentioning good Bangalore. Okay. And again, so instead of this good, I can replace with bad. Okay. I can replace with bad. Like, uh, again, I am doing string s2 equal to, the method is s1 dot replace method. I can mention with replace method, and here I can mention good with bad. Here I should mention in whatever the characters I want to replace, that characters I can mention here. That character I can mention here. Characters I can mention here like this. Okay, that characters I can mention here. So generally I will show you on the programmatically. So here I am mentioning some, for example, the same thing, nice search, and here I will mention, you have the replace method. The replace method, what I will do, str1 dot replace method, and here I would like to mention nice replace with good, nice replace with good. Okay, and then I am declaring this one. Now directly I am printing the s2. So instead of writing, we can directly the same statement we can directly pass in the sysout statement also. Through that also you can get. Okay, I am mentioning str2, and I can save this one. Now I can go to here where is available. You can go to the command prompt. You can compile the file, and you can run the file. Now you guys observe. So nice search is replaced with good. Nice search is replaced with good. Are you guys observing? So these are the general, like length method, concat method, char method, equals method, and we're done with the replace method. We're done with the equals method. Okay, so similarly we have the more methods also, like we have the uppercase method. So what is the purpose of uppercase method? To convert a string into uppercase, to convert string into upper string. So to convert string into uppercase string. So I can mention uppercase string. So what is the syntax for this one? For example, I'll mention here. Now this is, it is having all in lowercase, right? All in lowercase. So I want to convert in the uppercase. So for that purpose, I have the method, that is the uppercase to uppercase method, to uppercase, and yeah, to uppercase method. Now I can save the file, save this one, and I can go to the command prompt. Now I can run the file, javac, and to uppercase method. Okay, now the string data type. Now what we will do, I will take str2 equal to str1 dot to uppercase method and here I'm passing str2. I can save the file. Now I can go to the command prompt javac demo.java. Now demo, nice search. Are you guys clear with my point? So instead of writing one line, I did I have written in 2 lines, meaning str1. So this is holding all group of characters. This group of characters I am converting into the uppercase. That uppercase characters I am storing here. That variable I am printing here. Okay, so that is the uppercase method. Okay, so similarly we have the lowercase also. The method name is to lowercase method. The method name is to lowercase method. Okay, so what the purpose is to convert string into lowercase okay. Now the same thing what I will do here, I will mention all in uppercase. Okay, so here simply what I will do, I will mention lowercase. Now I can go to the command prompt. I can run the file. So what it is doing, lowercase is the method which is converting entire string into the lowercase. Entire string into the lowercase. Okay, so similarly we have the few more methods. We have the any other methods like index of method. The method is index of method. So what is the purpose of index method is to get first occurrence of the character. Okay, first occurrence of character. So I will show you. So what does it mean? First occurrence of character. Like this is the group of characters. Now what I will do, so str1 dot index of here I would like to mention capital S, or I would like to mention U, meaning the index position. So I'm mentioning the character, and based on the character it will display the first occurrence of the char. Okay, so I will run that one. I will compile my file. Okay, now I can run my file. Now you guys see, and where it is available, at the position number 1. So what I told you, to get the first occurrence of the character. So where it is available, so you can get the index position of that specific character. And similarly we have the method like that is the last index method. last index method Last index of method. And so here to get last occurrence of the method, to get last occurrence of character okay. So generally the same thing. Here I will mention with the last name, last index So here I last index of u. I am mentioning last index of u. Okay. Now I can go to that. I can compile my file and you can see. So last occurrence is 5. Now the node point is, for example, if I am trying to search with the other character which is not available in this string. So in that case, what will happen? In that case, it will return -1. Okay, I will compile that one. I will run that one. -1. So that is the node point. Okay, I will tell you that is node point. The node point is if given char is not available. If given char is not available. If given char is not available, then it will return. It will then I can mention it will return -1. It will return -1. Then it will return -1. Then it will return -1. Then it will return -1. Okay, so these are the few methods. So generally, today we discussed about the length method, concat method. Good morning. No. ఏ సైడ్ ఉన్నా నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను. నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను, క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను. ఇది అయిపోయాక నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే ఓకే. Yeah. So today what we discuss. So I will give the overview of it. So generally we are discussing about the non-predefined data type, that is the string. So string is the reference data type, and the string is the predefined class which is available in Java.lang package. And the string we can use as reference data type, and the string which is used to store the group of characters. String is the immutable. Immutable meaning we cannot change the value. String is immutable, we cannot change the value. Okay, and after that we can create string in two ways. Okay, one is the literal approach, second one is the by using new operator approach. And then after that, how the memory will JVM will allocate the memory generally. So strings will be stored in the constant pool area. So constant pool area is the specific memory in the heap memory. And after that we have the some string manipulations. We can do the string manipulations by using predefined methods. Length is method, concat method, and caret method, equals method, double equals, to uppercase, to lowercase, and index of last index of. Okay, so today you guys, you can practice the program by using the separate programs. Okay, you can take one file with the length method, you can do like that. Okay, you guys practice with all the methods and do the assignment, share in the group. So we have the a few more methods also. Those methods we'll see tomorrow, and then we'll complete string topic tomorrow itself. Okay, so that's it today, guys. So please do the assignment and then share in the group. So if you have any questions, you can ask.